Righto, so back into the spray booth, and the bit we're going to be doing is the extraction piece. So, what we have here, this little thing here that we're going to work out. So on the extraction side, as it comes out, you're going to have two fans. This one here will actually go out to a ducting system, and this one here will sit stationary. So this will be an isolated and closed area. There'll be a door here where we can access these filters, but these two areas will be separate to each other. So we'll also make an intake side that'll have a filter as well, and even a water extraction system. Something basic just to get it out of the air. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll be pretty good. So we're going to mark this up, start cutting this, build this. We're going to build in a way that we can screw it all in, put a post in, and just make it sort of modular. That's our goal. So we'll get into it.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. You fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Okay, so back inside where the spray booth is, and we have built our extraction box, mostly. So we're going to mount this up in here, roughly around there, take this and this out, cut those, move them out, the thing, put a post in to hold it up. We're going to do it single person, so shouldn't be too bad. It is heavy, but we'll give it a go. We'll get it screwed up, but we'll cut the main vent line hole in it up there later. Just got to wait on exactly what size piping I'm going to use, but we can also take that board out of there anyway, so that's not an issue. So we'll get this up. So we have ourselves apart from an old desk, which is here. So we're going to make a bench in here. Bring that off the ground a little bit because I mean we've still got all these holes here, but we'll seal them up from the outside. So we're going to make ourselves a little bench here now. Put some wooden stuff up the top there to fill in a few of these gaps. Probably that whole side. We'll probably try to just sheet it off. And then we can start looking at the doors and things like that. But otherwise, we got that in. And yeah, we'll start fitting out our electronics and everything. So yeah, getting there. So now we've got most of this side in ready to go. We've got the door access to the filters. We've got support post, a bit of a bench there to work with. We're going to work on this door. So we're going to double up that side there. Eventually there'll be the air intake on that side, which I haven't built yet, but respace that out. We're going to reinforce this here and then make a big door, probably up to about here. That will be a full swing, so that way we have no dramas getting anything in. Obviously we'll move everything once we get that sorted, but we'll build the frame for that. We won't attach it yet. We'll build the frame and that, have it all ready to go, and then we can do all the electrics and the lighting and get all that in, and the vent, and then actually use this thing. So, did a quick run and got the intake side done. So made these out of some old boards we got from work, so decided to leave that there for something a bit fun. But we got that, we've got this panel in here and panel on either side, so probably now we're just going to plastic the roof, fill all these holes. We're going to do everything down here, leave the plastic off here, and then we're going to do our lighting in the corners, our exhaust, our intake. So we've got to run the ducting and the lighting and the plastic, and still do a door too. So we are almost there.